rosé all day, which basically is frozen rosé with vodka slushed up. I pre-made strawberry simple syrup. What that is a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, and a full cup of chopped strawberry. And then I gotta strain the strawberries out. What do I strain it into, you think? This is important to have here.
Are you gonna strain it through that, maybe?
I'll just do a bowl for now because I was not prepared. These gonna be some sweet strawberries. I don't know what you're supposed to do with those. I guess throw them out. Cool, look, so strawberry simple syrup here to deliver. The recipe also called for frozen rosé. So I took a bottle of rosé that I got from Aldi and I put it in this world's largest Ziploc baggie and froze it. I put it in last night and then I just put it in this just in case it leaks because I didn't want it to leak everywhere. Now, with alcohol, it's not gonna freeze all the way. Here's my blender.
So have you ever had a frosé before?
At a bar, but not like homemade, I don't think. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. So this is our frozen rosé wine. Oh, it smells good. So now we've got our whole bottle of frozen rosé in here. And then it just says a 4th cup of vodka, but this peach and orange blossom vodka, I just think it sounds really good in it and I really love it. Boop. I'm gonna take this. So let's try. I've never had it. Usually I've just got it at the bar or wherever I've gotten it before, and it was not probably with fancy vodka, because this is treat yourself rosé. Ready?
Yep.
4th cup of this delicious. This is so good. Just with a nice ginger ale. Oh, love it. 4 tablespoons of strawberry simple syrup. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm getting so excited. I think that's it. Well, I mean, it's already slushy. Because I'd frozen the Frozé. Look at that. Oh, it's real pretty. I feel like I should put like a little strawberry garnish. Although that was like a whole bottle of rosé for 2 drinks, so.
Ugh.
Not to be a brat, but here's yours, honey.
You're like,
oh,
cheers.
that's good, but wow, it's pretty strong. Oh, how do you think, hon?
I think it's really, really like super strong. Like, what the hell? Is it supposed to be this strong?
Girl.
Trying to take advantage of me tonight.
With a boozy Frozé all day, it's gonna get me into the night.
Got you just in the forehead.
Oh, it's almost too strong.
Yeah. I feel like.
Hey, they said you could put more simple syrup
Is
in.
this okay?
Like if it's too strong?
Pour a little bit.
How many? I'm gonna do 2.
Why don't you do 2 and then take
Should
a
I
little.
put maybe some ice cubes?
No, this is fine.
Okay.
And then maybe take a little taste test.
Okay. What do you think?
Better, but man, honey, I don't know if you're gonna like remove all the booze.
I know there's too much booze.
Oh, I think you need more syrup.
Maybe some more ice. Maybe some strawberries.
Yeah, put some
Well,
strawberries.
I have
in.
this.
Put the strawberries in.
I got some.
Put them in.
Oh, and some ice maybe? I don't know. It's just too strong. I probably didn't need to put all of it in. Aww.
Pretty.
Now it's gonna have seeds.
It's gonna be a smoothie. Booze smoothie.
I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in it.
Boozy.
The water will, from the ice will water down too. What do you think? More vodka? I'm just kidding. Your face.
So much booze in that, man.
So maybe we should just do a rosé, not a boozy rosé.
Put some chocolate in
Ooh,
there.
chocolate syrup might be good. It's like a strawberry chocolate martini. The vodka has overpowered the rosé. For real. Look at like the deeper color though. It's intensified.
It tastes a lot like strawberries. Like, you know, smoothie-ish now.
I just don't like the seeds now. It really irritates me. But I'm drinking, that's a whole bottle of rosé.
You gotta do one of these with your nose, like the minute you took a sip.
Come on, do shots.
Here, give me another one.
What's food team here?
Like 45 minutes.
We ordered food tonight because you know what? When you're
Because you're just spending all your time making frozé.
when you spend all day freezing your frozé.
Put me in the video?
Just for it.
No, like, no wanted me out though. No?
So you done it a lot.
Alright,
I'm here for that.
I'm on my computer now.
Alright.
See ya. I watched my stream on Twitch, _ Shiki.
Oh, did you hear him trying to plug? Wait. This is what it's like going out to eat. And
Eating
we're
on your own
at
to
the
eat.
Target the other day, and I was like, why is everyone staring at me?
Why? You're like, I have my face covering on, jeez.
God.
Okay, let's wrap it up.
I'm done with
You got
this.
anything to say?
Oh, Frozé all day.
That's all you got?
I made this glass.